Hello guys, so here is a simple alpha to get in on Su blockchain, and what you need to do is this is it, BYEILD. You have to purchase nBTC using your Su faucet. You can see connect on Su wallet, connect Su wallet button if not already connected. Use the slush wallet. Make sure you have Testnet Su tokens. You can request faucets here. Then you can also check alternative faucets. So these are just the simple thing you have to do. So I want to switch my wallet to Testnet. This is the wallet you need. You can only do this on what's it called, on Su wallet extension. Like, you can only use the extension, so meaning that it's either you are using a PC or you are using a Mises browser. So if you are just getting started with Su blockchain, what you need to do is to download Su wallet extension, also known as this slush. So download it on your Mises browser or download it on your PC, whichever you are using. Then you can come here to switch to Testnet. You can also request Testnet faucet from here too. Okay, this network you see is under mainnet. Then I can switch to Testnet. So I've switched to Testnet now. I don't know if this $1 worth of Su will be enough. I doubt. So let me just request faucets here, so that I'll first of all connect my wallet. Then I'll select this slush. Hope you are seeing. So you should check the link in the description box of this video so that you can get started. So here I can click on confirm. So my wallet is connected. I want to request for faucets so that I can buy. So you can also request for the Su faucet from the extension page itself. It will just bring you to this faucets page. So it's still the same thing. Let's see, one thing about this faucet thing is that they do not, like, for these Su faucets, you don't get to receive it fast. I don't know why, but it's always congested at before you see it's 0.5. It will take a while. Just keep trying, because there is this Mirac and other, is it Momentum DX that we are farming on Su. We need the faucet too, but to get it is always work, like it's work. So I'm just waiting for the captcha to come up. You can see I have clicked on request Testnet Su. I'm just explaining all of this. For those that will be asking, I'm unable to get faucets. It's a general situation. You can see mine too. So before you start asking me that how to get Su faucets, you see where I am. All I will do is to keep trying till I get to receive the faucet. That is how Su faucets always is. Like, for you to get it, they don't send it very quick, and I don't know, it's just like that ever since I've been doing Su Testnet here. So let me just use the one I currently have in the wallet to see. Maybe I'll be able to purchase again. There is a fixed price buy. Okay, let me use the 0. I don't know if what I have is enough to buy. Let's see. So you already know what to do. Should in case you are trying to request the faucet and you are not getting it, you just have to keep trying till you get it. There is no alternative. So you have to keep trying till you get it. It's just as simple as that. So that's the essence of me showing you and explaining how the faucet is. Okay, I think what I'm having is up to the minimum buy, because it's already going, like it's loading. Alright, now you see success. That means what I'm having, I use 0.3 worth of Su faucet to buy. So if you're having like 0.1, I think it should work. If I had known, I would have just used 0.1 because to get the faucet is work. So you have a waitlist form to fill too, so that you can be eligible for this nBTC something. So you see, if you want to increase your chances to be waitlisted for BTCFi, Believers NFT, please fill this form. So if I click on the form link, then I can fill. Let me still request from this person because I still need it to farm other testnets. So I'll just, this is the form, so I have the link to the form already, but let me just fill directly from the link on the page. So why is it taking forever? So here is the form, your email, your Telegram ID, then follow them on X and enter your X ID. Then comment Believers Assembly on this street. So what I will do is to copy this. I'll copy, then go to this tweet, this particular tweet, and comment this same thing. Then please join our Discord and you submit your Discord ID. Then subscribe to our newsletter at then your Su address, the one you use to perform the testnet activity. So here's where you fill. So I'll just click on this link. I think it's that comment that is having. Let's do the comment tags. Every other thing is just to submit your details. So let's see. Here's the comments page. I'll just paste the what I copied. Where's it? So I can now reply to their comments. So that's what everybody is commenting. Subscribe. I think I've done the subscribe this. I'm not paying for that subscription, I beg. Let me just follow them. Suinetwork. So I've done the comments task. So let me just fill every other ones. Joining Discord, subscribe to newsletter, and submitting my Su address. So let me copy my Su address. I'm trying to show, in case you are just new to farming Su blockchain airdrops. So here is the Su address here. So I think that's the only thing that needs explanation. So yeah, guys, so this is the update on this BYEILD app. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. Do the test nets, just buying the BTCIF, then fill this form, and that's all. That's the simple task you have to do here on this airdrop. So I'll just go ahead and fill my email, Telegram ID, and all every other ones. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel. Turn on your notification bell for more subsequent updates so you don't miss out. And also join my Telegram community. Check the link in the description box of this video or the pinned post in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.